Hey everybody. At 60, I had to start over. My world collapsed. I was left with no partner, no financial security, and no roadmap. But today, I want to show you what reinvention looks like, because you might be standing exactly where I once stood. And I promise you, it won't be like this forever. This isn't a silver bullet, and it isn't a miracle ending, but it's a real life, no fluff way to start your new life. My story starts somewhere in my pain when I picked up a pen and started writing what became a divorce journal. I started writing it because it was for myself. It was at first just messy thoughts, some of my fears, some quotes that really encouraged me, and even certain tips that I started collecting as I was doing my research. I even added watercolor sketches because the painting was calming and it was a nice creative outlet at a time when I was so stressed. Eventually, it turned into a book. I wanted to create what I never had, what I couldn't find. A compassionate, practical, and yet beautiful guide that a woman could use as she was navigating a midlife do-over. Doesn't always have to be divorce. I had no budget, no team, just my voice, my story, and a printer. And the world responded. Dr. Tererai Trent, Oprah's best guest ever, shared my book with her daughters and called it a guide every woman should have. Lawyers, coaches, physicians, women from all walks of life called it reassuring, organized, and empowering. I was invited to speak on podcasts, the Canadian Money Saver podcast, Dr. Elizabeth Cohen, divorce doctor in New York City, on her podcast, and Jackie Porter, one of Canada's leading financial voices, all invited me to speak about my experience. And here's the truth. I didn't make a penny. In fact, it cost me the last bit of my nest egg. My $400 course, no one bought it. My book sales, I purchased 20 copies of my own book to give away to different organizations and to people I knew that were having a hard time. Every consultation I gave was free, but that's okay. Why? Because what I gained was experience and courage, and most importantly, a community of women who know now that they are not alone. And that makes all the difference. Since then, I became an NASM certified personal trainer. I started this YouTube channel as part of a quiet outreach for women in midlife who are starting over. I just wanted to share what I've learned and what other women might be able to benefit from. I didn't do this because I have it all figured out. In fact, I'm still figuring it out. However, because I remember what it's like to feel invisible, broken, and alone, that's why I'm here. That's why I'm putting myself out here, so that other women can see that my life wasn't easy, but I'm here. I'm doing this, and I'm okay. I'm more than okay. You don't need to wait until you feel ready. You only need to believe that it's not too late to begin again. If there's one thing that I help you believe, that it's not too late to begin again. I'm 67 today, and believe it or not, I have plans going forward. I never thought I'd be here. But that's what happens. Your failures are not really failures. They're just stepping stones to the next level. And sometimes it's stepping into the unknown. But that's where the magic happens. To help you along with this, I created an ebook. It's called the Life Reinvention Kit. It's a compilation of all the best articles I collected, worksheets, action plans, even stories about women who were late bloomers who made another career for themselves. These are all empowering things that I kept going back to. So I put it all together. I've had a few people tell me that it is something that they do for themselves as a gift. They take it out every day and they do one small section every day. It's their me time. I have another girlfriend who bought it and shared it with her girlfriend in Japan, and together they're going through the Life Reinvention Kit. Isn't that a wonderful thing? It's created a sense of community. So if you want to have a look at it, the link is down below, and it's only $7. $7 because it took me 7 years to put it together. But also in the link, there's a very generous preview so you can see what you're getting. Let's return to 8 things that I did that you can do that will change your life within the year. If you are standing at the edge of something new, maybe scared, maybe unsure, looking at the unknown, here are 8 things that helped me. It's not rocket science. It's easy things that you can step into. And I believe that they will help you. First and foremost, stop complaining and start appreciating how lucky you are. If you woke up today, you're healthy, and you have a good body, that is the number one thing to be grateful for. You can do anything now. Second, embrace loneliness. It's not your enemy. It's the space that you need for reinvention. That takes time, energy. You need that time. So it's not really loneliness. It's a creative opportunity for you. Read more books and watch less TV. Fill your mind with something nourishing. And we all know how the doom and gloom in the news today is making us all feel. So stay away from that. Sweat daily. Not because you want to lose weight, because it gives you joy, because it gives you clarity. When the endorphins kick in, everything looks a lot easier to tackle. That's why I do all the running I do. Learn from every mistake. They're not failures. They're your teachers. It's the stepping stone to the next level. It could be the level of the unknown, but it's okay. You've come this far. You can still keep going forward. So learn from those mistakes. Choose one skill to master this year and give it your complete effort. But don't choose a skill like Excel spreadsheets. Choose something that gives you joy, that sparks creativity within you. You have some, and I even have worksheets in the reinvention kit that will help you find that one skill. That's why I put it together. Follow through on your goals. Let commitment, not fear, guide you. One small goal. It doesn't have to be something monumental. A small step. Those small steps add up. I've talked about this before, and it's actually outlined in the Life Reinvention Kit. Let go of anyone who drains your energy. You don't need any more Debbie Downers in your life. You're not a lifeboat. And I don't mean tell someone, all I'm saying is let the distance and the quiet between you go. That will be all the separation you need. So don't feel guilty if you're not contacting someone who drains your energy. You need that space. I hope this video brought you a little bit of courage, or at the very least, reminded you that starting over in midlife is so doable, and it isn't the end. I'm 67. I don't see it as the end, even though I used to. So that's why I put that Life Reinvention Kit. I know I keep saying it, but it's exactly the process that I followed. It isn't a miracle. It's just a process. You have to give yourself that. Love yourself enough to take yourself on this journey. You are so worth it. You're allowed to be happy. You know what? You deserve to be happy. You weren't created to be miserable. And guess what? You're allowed to rewrite your story. Everyone has the possibility of rewriting their life, no matter what the circumstances. So I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, share it with someone who might be needing it, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.